Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, FX Pip Collector. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the Kiwi dollar has been very, very sideways for quite a while. I would argue that it's pretty much been sideways since way back here, probably about 2 weeks now. Now, more than likely, we are making a crutch into the higher daily time frame move, which if you zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see this whole move on the 1 hour time frame, the whole move up. So if we are making a crutch into the whole move up, the minimum I would expect this move down to go is the 38%. It could possibly go all the way to the 78%. Now it kind of looks like it made some sort of a 1, 2, 3 down. Maybe this is actually turning into like a 1, 2, 3 up, and then eventually, which it doesn't have to do now, it could pop up one more time, but eventually I think it's going to go down at least to the 38% minimum, and possibly even quite a bit lower than that, making some sort of an ABC or some other recognizable Elliot wave corrective pattern like a WXY or some sort of a triangle, or possibly even a flat. So either way, I think there's a good chance that we will go down, but just keep in mind that the higher time frames are very strong up. This could just be a very small correction within a very large uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.